Hi guys, my name is Anthony and this is Crypto for You. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about how we could be going up to this level, $30,000. But there is a warning for everybody that holds Bitcoin. After this, I think that we will crash. We will have a dump. How big the dump is, I will tell you guys that in the video. All that and more in it. So let's get into the video. So guys, first let's see how we're going to get to this $30,000. Well, we have this falling wedge, and falling wedges are bullish. We usually break to the upside, but there is a trend that went into this falling wedge. And if there is a trend that goes into this falling wedge, that means this is counted as a bull flag. So this bull flag goes where? Let's see. So how we count it is we get it by the trend and then we take it out right here. So this trend will take us to 31,650. So that's the exact price, just rounded down to 30. So 31,600. That's where I think we could go. And what else actually predicts that we could be going to this price? Well, it is the RSI and stochastic RSI. The RSI is a good buy, and the stochastic RSI is trending to below on top as I speak. So we could be breaking the triangle right now. Of course, if we get rejected, we will fall down to this price, but probably gonna get supported, and then we're gonna actually bounce one more time. And this is actually the most I think that we could do, because usually we break around somewhere in the middle. So we could break out somewhere here, or maybe we could break out right now. So if we get rejected, we're just gonna fall a little bit down, but we're gonna of course confirm support. So 70% chance to break to the upside and 30% chance to the downside. If we do come down here and we break it, then I think we should have the dump right now. But that's unlikely. Of course, Bitcoin sometimes surprises us, so that may happen. After we go to this level, where do I think we're going to go? Well, I have these two lines right here. I think we could go to either of them. Why is that? Well, it's because of something to do on the stock to flow model. If we actually go to full screen right here and we look at this, you can see that when we were orange, we had orange dots right here, we had a correction. And we had a correction of 50%. I will show you guys right now. And this was in 2013. So if we go and look at this correction, and we actually have to go to the daily time frame, the correction is right here. You guys can't see it, it's right here. And so if we keep zooming in, you'll be able to see the correction. It is not this correction right here, it is this little tiny hump. This little tiny hump right here, this one. That is what it is. So let's see. How much did we rise and how much did we fall? If we count from here to here, we rose 145%, but if we count from the wick, we rose much more than that. But I won't count for the wick because 20,000% is too much. So 50% drop after that, that's what we had. So think about a 50% drop. So, and this 50% drop was this tiny hump right here. You might be thinking that this is like the $20,000, but no, this is the big pump to $20,000. That's the pump to $1,000. You can't even see the little tiny dump. So here's $20,000 right here. By the way, if you go to Plan B, here's a few more things, a few more dumps here. There is a dump right here. There's a dump right here, and there's a dump right here. I never said that you can only have one dump per bull market. You can have as many as you like, but I would say typically you should have at least one. And so if we go back and we look at these three, how much percents were they? And here they are. We can see them right here. If you guys spot them, good for you. You can see that here's the first dump, here's the second dump, and here's the third dump. That's those dumps right there. Now, if we calculate how much percents they drop, you will see that average they drop 40%. Look at this. This one dropped 40%, this one dropped 40%, and this one dropped 32%. So 30 through 40% average, that's how much we drop. So, what about now? What do I think? Well, Plan B's charts usually we fall somewhere, we start falling, having corrections about when we're orange. Right now we're not literally that orange. We are like the dots, that's what I mean. The dots are not really that orange, but look right here, they were pretty orange. But here it's not that orange, so I think we could still go up. And since the dots are added each day, you can count that by the time we get to this level, it would probably already pass like 5-6 more days, and we could actually go to like orange. After that, we could fall. Why do I think I could fall to here? One, this is 30 through 40%. The in between these lines. So we could fall somewhere from there to there. From 31,000, this is a 34% dump, and this is a 43% dump. And something else interesting is that if you count the Fibonacci retracement from where we're actually going up to this level, you will see that this will be the 0.5 and this will be the 0.618. This is the two golden ratios. In between here is the golden pocket. So we could dump to the golden pocket. That means that this could be something like a 5-wave move. Does that mean that in the ultra long term that we will be going up really high? So if this is a wave 1 and this is a wave 2, where's the wave 3 gonna go? Has to be longer than this because it can't be the shortest thing. So we could be going to like $50,000, and then, but that's only going to be like wave 3. We could go all the way up to $100,000. Why? Because this line by the end of next year will be at $100,000. Not really the end of next year, somewhere in like September or something of the next year. So we're getting close to the next year. So we have like 8 months left. So in 8 months, maybe we could already be at like $100,000. That would be amazing. But right now, I think we will go to $31,000. Then after that, we will dump to this level. By the way, I didn't tell you guys the price of this level. The price of the 0.5 level is $20,500, and the price of the 0.618 and the 40% mark, the mark, is $18,246. That's where I think we will go after we come to here. The RSI and stochastic RSI in the long term are predicting it too. The RSI is a good sell, and the stochastic RSI is turning to red on top. So if we dump out of this triangle right now, we could fall right now. But if we go out of this triangle, I think we could go up. So right now, it all matters with this triangle. If we break out of this triangle to the downside, we will fall down right now. If we break out to the upside, we will go to this level. I'll be keeping you guys posted about this and show you guys updates in some of my next videos. So this is what I think will happen right now. We will go to this level, and then we will crash. But this will be part of a big 5-wave move. So with that said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to click that post notification bell. See you guys next video. Peace!